In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link multiple credit cards to QuickBooks online bank feed. Managing your business finances efficiently is essential, and QuickBooks Online makes it easy to track expenses and monitor spending by linking your credit cards directly to its bank feed feature. This allows you to automatically import transactions, saving time and reducing the chances of manual entry errors. Whether you're a small business owner or managing personal finances, this tutorial will guide you through every step of the process. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and follow along. Let's get started. First, open QuickBooks Online and head over to the main dashboard. Once you're on the dashboard, take a look at the left-hand navigation panel. Here you'll see a section called Transactions. Click on it to expand the menu. Next, locate and click on the Bank Transactions tab at the top of the Transactions section. This is where all your connected financial accounts will be managed. Now look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a button labeled Link Account. Go ahead and click on that. A search bar will appear, prompting you to enter the name of your credit card provider. Type in the name of the provider you want to link. As you type, you'll see a list of results. Select your credit card provider from the list once it appears. From here, QuickBooks will guide you through the authentication process for your credit card provider. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to log into your credit card account or verify your identity in some way. This step is crucial for securely connecting your account to QuickBooks Online. To complete the authentication, you'll need to enter your login credentials for your credit card account. This typically includes your username and password, but depending on your provider, you might also need to provide additional verification details, like a one-time passcode sent to your phone or email. Once you've successfully verified your identity, QuickBooks will establish the connection. After the setup process is complete, your credit card will now be linked to QuickBooks Online. To confirm this, return to the Bank Transactions tab. You should see the newly linked credit card listed there, along with its associated bank feed. Now that your credit card is connected, you can begin categorizing transactions. This step is essential for tracking your expenses and monitoring your spending. Be sure to review your transactions regularly and assign them to the correct categories for accurate financial reporting. And that's it. You've successfully linked your credit card to QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.